Hi guys! Welcome to Virgo Philippines. Ito po ang yung reading ko sa mga Virgo dealing with the fire sign, which is the Aries, Leo, Sag. So, paalala lang, this is general love reading. So, pwede kang hindi makarelate dito sa mga sasabihin ko. Kung makaka-relate ka, kunin mo lang yung mga messages kung saan ka makaka-relate. Okay? So, let's start the reading. For what I can see here with the Knight of Pentacles, this is your energy, Virgo. Also, by the way, if you're a cross-watcher, pwedeng ikaw ito. So, ang energy po na nakukuha ko is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy here, and Aries, Leo, Sag, with the Five of Wands. Like, I feel like merong ditong someone who is like holding on, na parang kung ano man itong mga words na binitawan sa'yo, it feels like naghihintay ka dito. Maaaring hinihintay mo or maaaring hindi mo binibitawan itong emotion na nararamdaman mo towards this person. I feel like you really love this person. Kaya lang there is this feeling na for some of you with the Five of Wands, maaaring may you're willing to fight for this person, willing kang ipaglaban siya. And with the Magician, I feel like you're not being honest for some of you. Hindi ka nagiging totoo. Especially sa sarili mo, sa mga ipinapakita mo sa ibang tao. Or sa mga tao sa paligid mo, sa friends mo, for some of you. I feel like your person is waiting for you. Naghihintay siya. With the Temperance, we have your Sagittarius energy. Naghihintay siya. We also have here the Hanged Man. Okay? This person is really waiting for you. We're waiting for your love. Waiting for, I feel like, meron kasing mga nangyari nitong mga nakaraan that made your person feel like hindi mo siya deserve. And because of that, maaaring marami pa siyang kinahaharap ngayon na problema, or maaaring with the Five of Cups, Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancer energy, ang nakukuha ko dyan is like, there's a lot of regrets. Maaaring may mga sinabi siya or may mga ginawa siya sa'yo na hindi mo nagustuhan. And for what I can feel here, for some of you, there's a decision, waiting for a decision, waiting for a turn na parang magkaroon ng pag-uusap dito. But then, it feels like hindi nangyayari kasi may mga emotion na kailangan itapon muna, or kailangan maybe another relationship na kailangan itapon muna. Okay? And but someone here is like fighting or willing to fight for this connection. Kaya lang hindi pa nangyayari kasi hindi mo rin sure kung ano ang gagawin nitong person na ito, especially if he is not communicating with you or hindi siya nagsasabi ng words. Pero your person is really happy dito sa Sun, and stay positive siya. With the Queen of Wands and the Ten of Swords, it feels like kung may aalisan dito na sitwasyon or tatapusin na situation, especially a relationship, hindi siya nawawala ng pag-asa doon. Holding on pa rin siya na matatapos yun. Kumbaga nag-i-stay positive lang siya. Hindi, matatapos yun kasi ako dapat. Sabi niya ganun. And there's this feeling with the Sun na parang he would like or she would like to have a children with you. Okay, for some of you na medyo, kasi may nakukuha kong energy dito na nagwa-watch na medyo may edad na. And I feel like your person still would like to, kung medyo may edad na kayo, he or she would like to spend the rest of his or her life with you. Yung maging masaya man lang siya. Kasi nakikita ko yung contentment dito sa messages. I feel like yung person mo is nagsasabi ng mga message sa social media. For some of you, even the simplest good morning na word, masaya na siya doon. Okay? Or for some of you, yung connection nyo through social media, okay na siya doon, masaya na siya doon. Pero hoping pa rin siya dito sa end na matapos or mangyari. You have here the Tower, and after the Tower is the Knight of Cups. Kung ano man yung mag-i-end, di ba? I see someone here is, waiting for an ending, and pag nangyari yung ending, there's this Knight of Cups, like, and the Emperor, followed by the Emperor. Alam mo, gagawa talaga siya ng action once na matapos kung ano man yung dapat matapos dito. Andyan siya naghihintay siya. I feel like gusto niyang gumawa ng movement, gusto niyang magsabi sa'yo ng totoong emotion niya. And I can feel like nahihirapan siya kasi medyo matagal na rin yan itong iniipon and medyo nahihirapan na siya dito dahil for some of you, the more na iniipon niya or the more na pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya or naghihintay siya, the more na lumalalim yung pain na nararamdaman niya. Okay? So, your person is really waiting na parang tanggapin mo or maging welcoming ka sa pagdating sa pagmamahal. And with the Queen of Cups, for some of you, for you to be single, diba? Your person is waiting for you to be single if you are currently in a relationship. Andyan siya, naghihintay siya. Gusto niya ng full cycle with you. Gusto niya ng, kumbaga, if you are together before, gusto niya na pagsasama ulit. Gusto niya na, di ba, nagkalayo na kayo, hoping siya na round the clock, tapos na, nandun na siya sa, kumbaga, I mean, hindi naman siya nagmamadali. But there's this point na nafe-feel ko na naiinip siya. Dahil medyo matagal na rin eh. Medyo matagal na rin itong paghihintay na ginawa ng person mo dito. I see someone here who is working at home with the Empress. Oh, you might be married with the Justice, Libra energy, and with the Ten of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Pwede kasing you're already married. Yun yung parang nagiging main problem ng situation nyo. Okay? But this person is really willing to have you, to say these words. Kaya lang hindi niya malaman eh, hindi niya masabi dahil hindi ka pa parang nakikita niya dito na hindi ka pa welcoming. So parang waiting siya sa na makuha ka niya, which is for what I can feel here, ang tingin niya sa'yo medyo mahirap kang abutin sa ngayon. Okay? Let's get more cards for you. What do we have here for Virgo dealing with the fire sign? Aries, Leo, Sag. Thank you. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. For some of you, medyo nawawalan ng, kumaga parang hindi ka sure eh. Kung totoo ba na itong person mo is naghihintay. But, yeah, there are signs. Maaaring yung person mo is keep on liking your photo. And hindi mo alam bakit niya nilalike. Bakit most of my post nilalike niya. Minsan may pa-heart pa. For some of you, there are signs na unti-unting pinapakita ng person mo na you are special. But then, hindi mo pinapansin yung mga yon. Your person is actually making an effort here. With the make the effort, I feel like meron lang siyang mga ginagawa na effort na hindi mo akalain na effort na pala. Pero unti-unti na pala niyang ginagawa. Okay? For some of you, maaaring kasi yung effort hindi mo alam eh. Okay? Kasi maaaring has something to do with just liking your photo, or yun nga, yung tumitingin sa social media mo, and there is this feeling na may hours talaga siya na kumbaga titig na titig sa photo mo, and the more na initignan niya yung photo mo, maalala mo siya eh. There are signs. Yung bigla na lang siya magpa-pop sa utak mo, yung pala iniisip ka niya or tinitignan niya yung photo mo. Okay? And with the forgiving and learning right here, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Alam mo, yung person mo is just waiting for the right time to say these words to you. Pero gusto niya nang sabihin. There's this feeling na parang, I'm waiting. Naghihintay ako na matapos kung ano man yung dapat pang tapusin. I'm here. I'm always here. Nandito ako. Hindi mo lang alam, pero I'm here. Naghihintay ako sa'yo, parang ganun. And you just have to release something. You just have to end this. For some of you, if there's a relationship na kailangan tapusin dito, or ayun nga, your person is waiting for this ending. Okay? It's under the tower right here, the forgiving and learning. And after that, tsaka niya lang isasabihin or ipapakita sa'yo kung ano talaga, yung full cycle or yung sabihin na natin, yung full na tira. Kumbaga, once na magsabi ako sa'yo, okay, gagawin ko yun. Tuloy-tuloy yun. Pero kailangan muna, gawin mo rin muna yung part mo. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Virgo Philippines. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes and comments and share. And I love you all, guys. And bye-bye.